Friends, welcome back to the my new video, guys. Today, guys, we are going to talk about guys dial pad tune setting, guys. In this video, guys, I will show you guys how can you off your dial pad tune. Friends, you want to off your dial pad tone, so how can you off it? In this video, guys, I am going to show you, friends. So before starting video, friends, I want to tell you guys if you're new in my channel, so friends, first of all, go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon, like my video, friends. First of all, guys, open your phone setting to off your dial pad tune. So what is dialpad tone, guys? I forgot to tell you guys. So when you enter guys any number, so as you can see guys this tone. So if you want to off this tone, you can off. So it's now let's see how to off. So guys open your phone setting and guys scroll it. So you can see guys sound and vibration setting, friends, tap here and guys again you scroll. Guys you can see your haptic and tune settings, tap here and guys you can see guys your dial pad tone. So let's try this icon, guys, tap here to off it. So guys your dial pad tone will off and guys you cannot use your dial pad tone, friends, you can see guys. So I hope friends you have understood how to off dial pad tone in our oppo phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Now we will meet on next video. Bye bye, friends.